Please walk us through the protest and litigation process.
Sure. So in Texas, every year as of January 1st, all property is reevaluated. So somewhere around March or April, property owners receive what's called a notice of appraised value in the mail. So it's really critical to take a look at that value because the deadline to protest your property taxes, if you have a difference of opinion, is typically May 15th, right? So it's very important to get an early start as the year starts to know where your value sits or how your year went the prior year to determine whether you should file a protest. After you file a protest, within about a month or so, you should get what's called an actual ARB hearing, where you have an opportunity to go and protest your property taxes in front of the Appraisal Review Board. After you have the Appraisal Review Board hearing, you have 60 days, typically around September, in which you have to determine whether you want to actually file a lawsuit. Essentially, if you weren't happy with the result of your protest or valuation, you have a tight time frame in which you can file a protest.
Okay.
The typical protest process from the filing of the protest to the settlement of a lawsuit typically is somewhere between 6 to 12 months is what it takes to find a full result.